Introducing the Sverl 3-in-1 multi-purpose bottle brush, a quick and effortless way to clean bottles, straws and bottle teats. Firstly, prepare the handle for use by inserting batteries. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws from the end cap of the handle. Insert 4 AA batteries, making sure they are inserted the correct way round. Close the end cap and fasten with the 2 screws. Cleaning the bottle. Carefully insert the grab point end of the bottle brush shaft into the shaft adapter. Make sure it is secure by twisting the attachment clockwise. Add water and washing up liquid to the inside of the bottle. Insert the brush head into the bottle, press and hold the power button. Rinse the bottle thoroughly. Cleaning a straw. Carefully insert the grab point end of the straw brush shaft into the shaft adapter. Make sure it is secure by twisting the attachment clockwise. Insert the bristles into the straw, press and hold the power button. Rinse the straw thoroughly. Cleaning a bottle teat. Carefully insert the grab point end of the teat brush shaft into the shaft adapter. Make sure it is secure by twisting the attachment clockwise. Insert the brush head into the teat, press and hold the power button. Rinse the teat thoroughly. Remember to fully sterilize teat after initial clean. Cleaning the brushes. Remove the attachment brush by gently twisting anti-clockwise until the grab point is released from the slot. Clean the brush by gently rinsing under running water. Leave to air dry before reusing or storing. Cleaning the handle. Wipe with a soft, dry cloth. Do not immerse the handle in water. The Sverl bottle brush. Simple, exceptional cleaning for bottles, straws and teats.